I'm Christian, this is Nate. We're here at Porsche Palm Springs with the start of our 2025 Restoration Challenge. Behind us is a 1961 356B that we will be restoring for the competition.
All right, mate, we found a bag of bolts here.
It's definitely rough. Bodywork is a little iffy. Mechanically, it is not safe to drive. It does not stop really. Got some loose suspension components. Engine doesn't really run that great. You could get it running, but really it needs a full restoration. It needs a lot of love.
We've got bungee straps holding in the doors because the doors don't stay on. Sunburnt shag carpet that's been in here for God knows how long. If only you guys could smell it. And it's quite crispy. It's starting to crack. Paint's completely shut. But I think she's got good bones.
Yeah, it's definitely a good starting project.
We've recently lost somebody that meant a lot to the store, Porsche community, Chad McQueen, and wanting to do a tribute car in honor and just to say thanks. We want to make this one a little bit special, have the family there at the unveil, and show him really, from the bottom of our hearts, what he really meant to us here and to people around the world with his passion for Porsche.